Psychological theory. Any system of ideas arranged in rational orders that produce general principles which increase our understanding and explanation. School of thought is a term that refers to a group of beliefs, ideas that support a specific theory or idea. Psychological determinism. He's explained the psychological determinants which define behavior of a person. This idea has long been hatched by thinkers who were consumed by the belief that it is the psychological equivalence that prompt the person to act the way he does. Id, pleasure principle. Ego, reality principle. Superego, conscience principle. Oedipus complex, a stage of development when male begins to have sexual feelings for their mother. Electra complex, a stage of development when girls begins to have sexual feelings for their father. Latency, begins at age 6, feelings of sexuality are expressed until the genital stage begins at puberty. This marks the beginning of adult sexuality. Fixated person exhibit behavior, traits, characteristics of those encountered during infantile sexual development. E.g., an infant who does not receive enough oral gratification during the first year of life is likely as an adult engaged in such oral behavior as smoking, drinking, or drug abuse, and others. Neurosis, a common type of mental disorder used to explain criminal behavior. Psychosis, a more serious type of mental disorder which can be organic or functional. Psychotic people lose contact with reality and have difficulty distinguishing reality from fantasy. Impulse disorder, an excessive or unreasonable desire to do or have something, an irrational or irresistible motive. Example of these are kleptomania, pyromania, dipsomania, and others. Schizophrenia, also called dementia praecox, characterized by distortion or withdrawal from reality, disturbance of thoughts and language, and withdrawal from social contact. Anxiety, also known as anxiety state or anxiety reaction, characterized by the person feeling anxious, fearful, anticipation, or apprehension. The person may be irritable, have poor concentration, and overreact to things that are annoying. Sociological, social norms, also called rules of conduct, set of rules that govern an individual's behavior and actions. Socialization is refers to the learning process by which a person learns and internalizes the ways of society so that he can function and become an active part of society. Culture refers to the system of values and meanings shared by a group of individuals, including the embodiment of those values and meanings in a material object. Sociological determinism is sociological factors refers to things, place, and people with whom we come in contact with and which play a part in determining our action and conduct. These causes may bring about the development of criminal behavior. Cultural transmission. The concept that conduct norms are passed down from one generation to the next, so that they became stable within the boundaries of a culture. Social bond. Social bond ties a person has to do institutions and process of society. According to Hirschi, elements of the social bond include commitment, attachment, involvement, and belief. String theory holds that crime is a function of the conflict between the goals people have and the means that can use to legally obtain them. Next, the theory of imitation. Pattern 1. Individuals imitate others in proportions to the intensity and frequency of their contact. Pattern 2. Inferiors imitate superiors. Pattern 3. When two behavior patterns clash, one may take the place of the other.